Commander Dex here. You got me on the mono red, and you got my buddy Dylan on mono green.
Yep, I'm playing some with our planeswalker. Well, I'm using our planeswalkers as our commander, so I don't think there's no commander damage being dealt.
Nope.
And I'm just waiting for him to be ready. And here we are.
I think I'm gonna win that.
And I think you did. And I rolled a 1. So it looks like he gets to go first.
So go grab a commander. Got some nice football music for you guys.
Yeah. I am not going to keep his hand. Let's go ahead and just get that there.
Okay.
Shuffle.
You need to draw a card, you know. Drawing good is good.
Sure. I need to actually go ahead and get my...
Chicken, bacon, cheese, put the patty in between your butt. Hey, you know if you could command M, you can just draw your hand, right?
There you go.
Alright, you ready?
I'm ready whenever you are.
Go.
Alright.
Oh, I should probably... Yeah. And...
Alright. Play a forest.
Okay.
And I don't think there's no one up, so I will go ahead and face.
Why is that going? Draw a card. It's fine. Yeah, it's good. Good.
Alright.
Fried chicken, bacon, cheese,
How's that?
patty in between your burger. Hey, your burger.
Oops. Draw one too much. Let's see.
I trust you. You got viewers, I think. I don't know. Do you have Dorn?
Yep. Play that. Probably should have played that turn 1, but... And I'll go ahead and face.
And half of the draw. Okay.
This is actually my first time using this, so that's probably why I'm not going to know much of this.
I had a sack outlet. Be nice. Don't know to play that yet. Go.
Alright.
I hate the beginning of Commander. Pretty much don't get to play
Draw.
very much at the beginning unless you get a turn
Not
one
bad, not
forward.
bad. 3.
Well, he's got 3 mana. I'm scared.
Let's go ahead
You
and
can play
play.
3 elves now, guys.
Let's go ahead and play this.
What is that? Titanius version of player classic and strong. Oh, that's pretty good.
And I will say pass the turn. I should say in the face. I remember that.
Okay, well, that actually
So I'm going to go ahead and show. This is what he's playing, and this is what I'm playing.
No dip. Well, it's kind of... You don't really want to use this yet, do we? I don't think we do.
4 mana, and
I
I'm
think we're
wondering.
just gonna
Alright, already.
do that. We'll go to 5 counters on it. Did discard. That's not gonna do much for us right now. And that doesn't do much anyhow. So I don't know if I really like volcanic offering. Here. Go.
Alright.
Then stories are going to be splendid no control and target non-basic land up an opponent's choice. You don't control. Okay, I'll bring you a 7 damage struck creature and 7 damage struck creature. Opponent's choice. You don't control. That's more of a politics one. Like when you're playing with multiple people. Chicken, bacon, cheese with that patty in between your burger. Hey, your burger. Wish I could.
Let's see.
Go through that stuff for him. Actually, can get him?
Sure. We'll go ahead and play this. Beastmaker Ascension. And now we'll go ahead and swing 1 at Daretti.
You forgot to put a +1/+1 counter on it.
Not sure. Yes, play.
Okay, I'll just take the 1 then. So go to, we'll say 39. We'll play the 40 line game. Chicken, bacon, cheese. 69 to 40, probably.
Alright, I need to add a counter on this real quick. Then I'll go up to 40.
And then pass turn. Done. Just hit Command L.
I don't want to.
You're so lazy.
Alright, and then I will end the turn.
While I'm taking my turn, go ahead and do your turn if I can expand.
Yep. It's gonna do so top.
Chicken,
Sacrifice it. Line card. Let's go ahead and put this on the field. There we go.
Fried chicken, mac and cheese, the party in between the So the way this works is we can -2, and since it's sacrifice an artifact, dot. If you do, return an artifact card from your graveyard to the top. It does not say other or anything like that, so we can sack it and return it. So we'll go to 3 counters, -2ing it, sacrificing it, and returning it, and then draw 2 cards. Already played away in this turn. So we don't really have much of a. We don't really have any particularly good plays. We haven't gotten really any of our mana ramp.
Not yet.
I think we just get this out of our hand and kill off this creature so he doesn't get any more triggers on Beastmaster.
What flare? Sure.
Because once you get those 5+ counters, that's pretty good.
And so this will also.
If this said, oh, I guess that is really actually good with this commander being, yeah.
Right.
Go ahead.
Alright.
You guys can correct me if I'm wrong with it already. I believe, I've done it before, I believe.
Force.
Pretty sure you can.
Now we're gonna go ahead.
You gonna play your commander?
It's tempting right now, but
I don't know what could be more tempting than having a planeswalker that makes mana. That was yummy, guys. I should taste it. It's beautiful. Sorry, that was weird.
I should get rid of this. Play her.
Back every turn, target land card from the graveyard to your battlefield.
Which case I'll bring
Land
this.
control is put into a graveyard from your battlefield by 3.
Yep. Then.
Oh wow, that's really good.
And
No,
then.
you don't get to put it in play. Oh yeah, this is the battlefield. Oh, wow, that's really good.
And then I'll pass the turn, and then during your turn I will sack it.
So you get a 5/3.
Yep.
So
Token.
that means we can do this. Yeah, we're fine. Chicken, bacon, cheese, with the patty in between your burger. Hey, your burger. So I think we're doing much on that turn anyways.
I think that's what it was. Yep.
Yeah.
That's
So
what it was.
I'll go like this.
Oh, it's on this creature, but sure, why not?
Play a Pristine Talisman. Tap it, gain a life.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. That's 4 mana. And then Starstorm for. Oh,
Does
that's
X
not gonna work.
Oh, it's not? So you're gonna lose that life and not gain it?
I did.
Alright.
So that's just when we thought we'd tap it for 5. We can still do that. It's well worth it. For 5, we'll Starstorm. And then kill both of your creatures.
Okay. Fair enough.
Is there Evolving Wilds in there too?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay. Then I will make 2 again to draw 2 cards with that.
Mason, you're gonna -2?
Go. Yeah. So is that back down to 1.
Alright.
I think Daretti is one of the best commanders because he filters your hands and he does pretty sick things.
Let's see.
-2 and -10. Fried
Oh,
chicken,
boy.
bacon, cheese, put that patty in between your burger. Hey, your burger. Our commander I think we'll do just 2 games if we can. Like depending on how fast the game one went. Like there's some pretty sweet draws.
Go ahead and play our Planeswalker.
Mhm.
Give it 2 counters.
So it's at 5. You know, there's easy way. Just hit set counters and then hit 5.
Oh,
You know?
alright. Well, I'll go ahead and make my creature token.
Yeah, I'll help you.
There.
What is that? Use that.
Sure.
Use it as your push. Like that. Okay.
Things went off again.
Just turn your sound off and that's it. No, turn it off.
Alright, well, he's going to be talking for it.
Done?
And I'll,
Because your
yes,
sound is off doesn't mean you can't talk.
you won't be able to hear me.
No, they can.
Okay?
Yeah, why wouldn't I be able to?
Oh, well, right then. And that will be the end of my turn.
Daretti's not at 5. I don't know why it's so sad.
It was 4, he's down to 1.
Um,
Sacrifice an artifact, and then you bring it back.
I think 1, 2, 3, 4.
Worried about the burn going on here.
Well, bruh, what was bruh?
Yeah, there we go. Now the sun's going to go back up.
Everflow and Chalice for 3.
Sure.
Tap it, put that into play.
Mm-hmm.
Send him back to 3. Discard's Bitter Feud and. Yeah,
Wait, didn't you already negative 2 it on your turn right now?
No, that was last turn.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all we can do. So, go.
Yep.
We will be tapping this at his instant token game life. It will actually become relevant here soon. We just did that turn, so rather than playing this, you know. It was doing the same thing. Actually, we could have done that.
Dang, it's way too
And
many.
no, we couldn't. That would be bad.
Go and play this, comes in
Could have done
tapped.
this. And do this. And yeah, it was the same thing.
Yeah.
Except if we
Go
draw
ahead
a man
and give
next turn, it'll be better for us.
2 more counters to make another one of these.
Just click on
Clone. That's what I did.
Yeah.
Cloned it.
You can Command J and not clone. Oh, she's cute. I don't understand why it's not Command C either. Command It's a cockatrice. It's so awkward. Like Command I is roll. Yeah. Right. Is that right? Yeah. And L is live. That would actually make sense. Command S is shuffle, which makes sense. I say
5. I'll play Grim Flowing. I'll draw a card for each creature, and I have 2 creatures in my graveyard, so I'll draw 2 cards.
I think you should have saved that for later on when you have more people in the group.
No, I don't feel like I would have enough. Let's see. Don't have one. I'll go ahead and swing 1 at Daretti.
Ready?
Yep.
It goes down to 2 counters.
Yep.
Done?
Go ahead.
You gonna click the end phase?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, you wouldn't have true.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so that's an amazing roll. I don't know if it does much right here. You need like 11 mana. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we're close. Five competition, the probably going to come remote. 8, yellow. Actually, do we have any features in there? Play this and this.
Just looking at all he got.
Fried chicken bacon cheese. I think we'll hold that back off until next turn. 3, 4, 5, 6. This actually sucks because we forgot to do that. 1, 2. Wait, go drink some headline. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mana. I guess we'll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Spine of Ishtar.
Ishtar.
And destroy your Beastmaster Ascension.
Sure.
Oh. That was a good play.
Fairly well, fairly well.
We'll go to 4 of those. Discard that to draw this. Probably should have done that before we made that play, but who cares? Fried chicken, bacon, cheese, with the patty, and butter. Go.
Let's see.
Fried chicken,
Sure.
bacon, cheese, with the patty, with the butter.
Sure.
Yeah, this is the kind of mana ramp I was talking about. Like, we missed out on early games. Like, we got the
9 mana.
medallions, the soling, the mana. Oh no, mana vault's not in here. That's in my edited version of this.
Yeah,
which I'll be showing
I
you guys
think-
after this.
Was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7?
Well, if you guys are some
7? Oh,
Doctor
oops.
Who fans, this is pretty funny. When men grow old, you reach. Look as good, you will not.
7,
Doctor Who's like, what you say?
8.
Bollocks.
Destroy all 3 of the. Destroy all 3 of your things on your battlefield. When
These
Terrestodon,
What 3
Terrestodon,
things are you destroying?
Daretti, its shore, its spine.
Okay. Draw a card. Please go back to my hand.
Let's see. So you get a
Probably
3/3.
should destroy these.
You get a 3/3 green elephant.
And 3 elements.
No, puts a 3/3 green elephant.
For each one in the graveyard.
Oh, yep. So you get 3/3s.
Misplayed, but who cares? I displayed on me, not LGS. Destroyed my 2 lands. Oddly enough, chose 3 mountains instead of a better room and
So-
Berkshire's core. I still had 7 mana though. To get the good keys. One thing I learned, if you're playing a pod, don't go too fast because then you get charged and it's not fun. Because that mono green deck that I'm facing
We'll go
right now
ahead and
has so
add-
much hate towards us.
We'll go ahead and clone another one of these,
You got it.
and then I will end the phase.
Draw. So now we can do this, which is pretty cool,
I guess it's gonna have that 11 mana.
but we don't want to. Hello.
Hello, Governor.
For that. To destroy that.
Fair enough.
Very fair.
But don't worry, when I pull a card that makes it come back, it'll be fun.
Chicken, bacon, cheese, put the patty in between your butt. I guess we'll. Six, get ready. Set the counters to 5. We get card. That.
Discarding the mountain?
No.
Swinging.
Bringing 6 at freeze. Fried chicken, bacon, cheese, put a party in between your buttons. Hi. Sophie, what are you barking at?
I'll block 1, and then this will go down to 6.
And then your elf dies.
Yep.
So go. Chicken, bacon, cheese, pocket, everything you want. Your bug.
Let's see what do we get.
His board state rather than advance mine. I still did get Daretti out, and I have 3 elephants. Your bug. Chicken, bacon, cheese, put the patty in between. Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap 6 to play Thunderfoot both.
Oh, that's pretty good.
And then, so now my
Elves with apple.
and I'll add 2 counters to get another one.
Huh?
And then I will, let's see, hold on a second.
We can make 2 of them. Yeah. There, your elves are
Yeah, I know.
Neither won't be next turn, but they're ready.
Okay.
Chicken, bacon, cheese, put the patties in the butter. Your butter.
Okay. I still have 2, 3, 4 mana.
I get 4 minutes. Oh, you're gonna cut your elves. This one.
Actually, no, for this, so actually have 5.
Today, well, died.
What's with the arrow?
Oh, just saying that one doesn't have face.
Oh, alright.
Actually, should be dead, but he doesn't. It's didn't mean to do that.
Go ahead and play Commander Sphere.
You do that. You gotta tap into the mana.
Why?
Because you only tap 2 mana.
I tap 3. 1, 2,
yeah.
3.
Alright. Thanks for showing me your hand,
You're welcome. You have such a good hand.
I didn't actually get to see it, by the way.
That's alright.
I was more worried about the mana part.
That's a 7, 7, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3.
Your foot buttons have to. Some of
2 of them have to. So go ahead and 3, swing 6. That's direct.
Trade my other thing.
Okay.
So the ready goes down to 2.
Then I will end the phase.
So what I can do here is actually pretty cool.
I feel like it's gonna
6.
Six, 7, 8.
With 1 floating. Like that.
Flying haste. As long as you control your commander, it gets +2/+2, and whenever turns familiar attacks, it deals 7 damage to target creature for defending player controls. Okay.
Yep.
7/7, that deals 7 to damage to target creature defending.
There's exactly enough to play that, but I don't know that's what we want to do.
Which one do you want to do?
We're actually going to attack that and do that. I actually think I know what I want to do. No. That really does nothing against him.
This will be helpful.
So with our 1 floating, we tap that. Play Swift Footboots.
Give yourself a Exproven Haste. And then imagine you have another Twig Whip. Maybe. Mirror Sire. Which dies, put a 1/1 colorless mirror artifact creature token onto the battlefield.
Discard these 2. The second thing that happens right now. one. Oh, wow. 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 Why magic? Why?
Oh, look, 2 ministers.
We'll put that one in just for the hex group.
And just a 7/7 haste flyer.
Then 7 there. But if it's an attack, I'll do 7 damage to that creature. So Freylease goes down.
Did I say I was blocking?
You can't, that's flying. Everything's attacking Freylease. But when this attacks, it does 7 damage to something, so if you have 7 damage to your Thunderhoof battle, I'm still.
In which case, then the wolf will die, sadly.
Yes. Are you blocking with your Honor?
Honor!
I'm gonna have to block 1 and 3/3s, and I'm gonna have to sadly say that this dies. Oh, sad world. I mean, that's what else.
Those elves are 1 wins now, by the way.
Okay.
Then that's my turn.
Okay.
It's nice of me to sack this, but I don't want to here. Bring back him. Pretty nice. Yeah?
Alright,
Still
time.
not nice to be able to.
Untap, upkeep, draw.
Look at those big guys. Everything in his deck is mana evil big. Or makes his stuff big. Pretty sick. Hey, yo, bro.
I thought you didn't want it like that, man. I thought you didn't want it like that. I've got it on low now for that.
Tap 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll take another tap this. To play Elvis Archdruid, and we'll sacrifice this to draw a card. Chimera Sphere. Okay, then I'll play a mana.
No, you should stack your 4s so it doesn't spread the screen. Like with the 4s on top of each other. Like, and then move your other ones over. Spark, chicken, bacon, tree, put the fire in between the box. And that is really. Oh, fuck.
Now, let's see. I don't know if I'll do anything, but this elf is now a 2/2.
Yeah, that's a 2/2.
I don't know if it's even worth playing right now.
This is not really never going to be relevant anymore, so if it actually does,
Play Wolf Caller of the Howl. Yep. If your opponent's with 4 more cards in hand.
Oh, that's good. Never going to trigger off.
Nope.
My turn?
I will then in the face.
We have control. Set those counters to 2. Sacrifice this. It'll come back to my hand. And I get Bosch.
Oh, great. Iron Golem.
We'll attach that to Bosch.
Haste, hexproof. That's great. 7/7 flyer, so I'm gonna be automatically taking 7 damage. Since I have nothing with reach now.
And on patience on 1.
I don't have patience, child. You should know that.
5, 22, 3, 6, 7, 4. Spine of Ishsaw. Destroy your Elvish Archdruid. Yes, I got it.
Yeah. So now my other elf goes down to a 1/1.
Yep. If you attack, when this attacks, it'll do 7 damage to that.
So this will die.
So
So taking
7,
10,
8,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm taking 20 damage to go down to 20.
6, 15,
Here?
15.
Yeah, I'm down to 20 health. And I do believe that will probably be game. Unless he has a swing next turn, I will go ahead and draw my card. And yep, that's game.
You don't have any blockers or anything?
Nope.
You can play Fair Lease and make a blocker. Then live another turn.
I could, but that's not gonna help.
She costs 7.
Okay.
She costs 7 mana. Because she died once.
Just to
So she goes to 5 counters. Not 2.
No, I'm sure. We got a copy of
Chicken bacon tree, but
and pass turn.
Actually, no, you just lose.
Yep.
Sacrifice this. You turn it back to play.
Kill my elf.
Good rat.
Yeah, let's move on.
Okay, so now you go back
Into that.
To yep,
We'll go to another game.
pretty much.
Alright, ready to start.
I'm fine. I'll call my grandmother right quick.
Okay.
This can be just edited out right quick. Ah, my neck hurts. That was a fun match.
Wait, stop the record.
Stop recording and just record on. Just adding it to this.
I know, but it's hard to find.
Maybe it's gonna be hard to find.
If I ever die, man. I'm gonna try something. Plans on grade.
So I'm just gonna keep on recording, so it's just one video.
No!
Why?
Because we'll have to cut it. It's really hard to find.
How do I stop the recording? It's been a while since I've been on this.
What'd you do?
I can't remember how to stop recording.
Oh
Still
my
recording.
god, I'm doing.
I don't recording. I don't stop recording.
I have 2 guns in the
Oh, there we go. Forgot about that. I'm gonna be right back.